Welcome to the training video for Scan-ceph Upgrade on RAYSCAN system. Thank you for your great supports with Array products. This video is intended to show you how to insert the tube tilt motor in the RAYSCAN system. These are the required components prior to upgrading the Scan-ceph enabled. If you have any question or missing, please contact CS Group. Prior to upgrading the Scan-ceph enabled, this is the top view of the X-ray generator. You have a cable comes out of any RAYSCAN system. If you don't have a Scan-ceph, this is just tucked into this area. You will use the cable when you put the Scan-ceph tube tilt motor in place. To prevent the tube head rotating, this bracket holds the metal flange. Other bolts typically screw down all the way. With this loose, you can pull this up. The tube can now turn on its own. It is not motorized yet, but it does move freely. First, screw the holding block a little bit. And you can see which screws would go with this. When you put the motor in place, this component helps the tube head rotating along with the motor. You might notice the shaft is D-shaped, so this helps to place the shaft in place. The DC motor cables are already soldered from the factory, so you don't need to worry about the switch. Put the tube motor and then screw tight the holding block. If it is loose, the tube head turns, but it will not get these limit switches. So, the tube over-rotates, and causes damage to the board. Put the stopper pieces. They are used to stop the motor when it's turning for the Scan-ceph scan. Make sure you also put the set screws on each top at the end. Otherwise, the bumper keeps moving the home position while moves. Cable connections. Let's start with MJ2. This cable is connected to the DC motor and gives the power. MJ1 connects the board with sub-MCU, and controls the communication. You might notice another connector at the end of MJ1. Please pay attention on this cable. Two bottom cables must go to the limit switch on the right. Do the same concept on the left side. To recognize the change in the system, you have to set up on Setting Wizards. To run the software, go to My Computer, C Drive, then go to Ray folder, and execute Setting Wizards. When it connects, go to System Setting, and move on to Code section. Click on Change Codes button. Drop down the option on Type of Ceph, and then choose SC. To save the change, click Set button at the end. For more information on Scan-ceph Upgrade on RAYSCAN system, please consult Installation Manual. Thank you for watching how to perform a ceph upgrade on RAYSCAN system.